If you want to hide photos and videos on Realme GT 7T, what you can do is you can open the Photos app. I'm gonna use this one, this purple one made by Realme. And over here, what we can do next is we can, for example, start selecting everything that we wish to hide. So I'm gonna press these three dots in the top right corner and choose select. So now we can select everything that we wish to hide. So let's say I'm gonna choose these items. At the bottom, we have lock option, so I'm gonna use it. And then, of course, we're gonna press OK. And there we go. We have the locked album. In order to find it, we can go to albums, and if you scroll down, you should be able to find locked option. Over here, we need to enter our privacy password. Now, if you don't have privacy password, then you will have to set it up first, but you will see that on the screen, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just simply follow the instructions in order to choose the password and set it up. And there we go. This is how we can hide our photos and videos. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.